Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a delicious and a fudgy chocolate brownies. Before we start, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now to make the batter, take some butter and chocolate in a bowl. And then to make it more intense, I'm adding some coffee powder. This is optional. If you want, you can add it, otherwise leave it out. To melt this butter and chocolate, you can use a double boiler, but I'm going to use my microwave to melt it. Once it's melted, mix it nicely to make it smooth and homogeneous. Now add some powdered sugar. Combine the sugar with the butter and chocolate. Next we'll add 2 eggs. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add the eggs one at a time and beat well till it's well combined. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. Check it out. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and then beat this in. Now to add the dry ingredients, place a sieve over the bowl and add plain flour, all-purpose flour or maida, and then add some cocoa powder. Then add a tiny pinch of salt. Sieve all this into the bowl. Now add some chocolate chips and combine all of this together. To bake these brownies, I'm using a 7 inches square cake tin. Line it with parchment paper so that you can remove the brownies easily from the tin. Transfer the brownie batter into the prepared cake tin. Tap the tin lightly on the counter, and then this is ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Start checking after 25 minutes itself. Put a skewer or a toothpick inside. It should come out with just a few crumbs of brownies sticking to it. It should not be fully clear. Don't over bake the brownies. Then when it's cool, remove it from the tin and then you can slice it up. These are one of my favorite, most delicious brownies. They are dark and fudgy and delicious. If you're a chocolate lover, you will definitely love these intense brownies. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.